Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the whatever this name is. I don't want to pronounce it because I don't know how to say it, but it's the tabletop tripod. This tripod is equivalent to the Manfrotto mini tripod. This is what it looks like. Just got it in the mail today. It's for cameras, cell phones. This is what the box looked like. Ordered it off of eBay. So we're gonna crack it open. I'm doing this one hand, so bear with me, guys. Like I said, this is just a quick unboxing. The tripod comes with the pouch carrying case. Feels nice, real good. Also came with this phone stand, but I'm gonna actually use this tripod with this mount, phone mount, because it's the same brand, as you can see, and this allows me to put microphone on the top of there. But enough with that. Let's get this baby open so you guys can see what it looks like. And this was $9.99 off of eBay, and it looks just like the Manfrotto, but a different brand. Does the same thing, has the same exact functions. This is what it looks like. Everything, just the little push thing so you can, hold on, let's see here, adjust it to sling that way. So I just wanted to get on here and let you guys know I got a new mini tripod, and I'll come back with a review of this device when I play with it and work with it. But just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.